10th class computer science objective type past paper Multan Board with answers. पहला MCQ है dash describes the name, inputs and outputs of the function. Function declaration, function call, function signature or all. Correct option is C, function signature. A list of words that are predefined and must not be used by the programmer to name his own variables are known as A. Auto words, B. Reserved words, C. Restricted words, D. Predefined words. Correct option is D. Predefined words. Number 3, MCQ number 3, include statement is written in dash section. A. Header, B. Main, C. Comments, D. Print. Correct option is A. Header. Number 4, symbol of logical AND operation is option A and B and D column. Correct option is B and. Number 5, which is an escape sequence used in C language? \n, \w, \q or \p. Correct option is A, \n. Let's go number 6. In an if statement, block of statement is written inside. इसका correct option B है. What is the output of the following code? Wrong, correct, error, no output. So इसका जो output आएगा वो आएगा correct. Correct option यहाँ पे है B. Number 8, dash makes it easier to read and write values in array. Correct option loop. Correct option is A, loop. MCQ number 9 is a unique identifier used to refer to the array. Data type, array size, done. Correct option is B, array name. Last MCQ number 10, the values passed to a function are called bodies, return type, arrays or arguments. Correct option is D, arguments. देखने के लिए शुक्रिया. लाइक कर दीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए.